Hello friends, welcome to Technical Jamana YouTube channel. Today's session let's discuss how to install a required softwares for the Linux operating system. In Linux operating system, you can install a software in so many ways. The first way is open Ubuntu Software Center. Here this is the Ubuntu Software Center. You can install so many softwares from here. You can see there is so many software: Spotify, WhatsApp and Krea and other required software will be available here. You can install directly from the Ubuntu Software Center. Okay, if there are so many softwares will not available in Ubuntu Software Center, for that you can install in another way. Okay, first of all let's install a VLC. Install the VLC is installing. Launch the button. The VLC will be installed. Here you go, the VLC is installed. After that, the another way of installation is open your terminal. And if you want to install a VLC player, then you can type here sudo space apt. Sudo is nothing but super user do. Okay, sudo apt get update, enter. It will ask you the system password, enter. It is updating the Ubuntu libraries. Okay, the system is updated. After that, install VLC. For that, sudo apt get install VLC, enter. Here it will ask you to continue the procedure. For that, type Y and enter. If you type N, then it will not install the VLC. Here it is installing the VLC libraries into the system. Okay, the VLC is installed. Let's check. You go to menu. Okay, here the VLC is installed. You can see the icon. Okay, next, clear. If you want to uninstall the VLC, just type sudo apt get auto remove VLC, enter. It will ask you yes or no. Why? Yes, I want to uninstall the VLC. Then type yeah, why, enter. It is removing the VLC libraries. Okay, the VLC is uninstalled. This is the process of uninstallation. Okay, where you have to write sudo apt get update, sudo apt get install software name and sudo apt get auto remove software name for the uninstallation. Okay, sudo apt get install Chrome for the Chrome. You can see here unable to locate a package Chrome. Here the Chrome has some packages to install. It will be installed by another method. Like you have to install the deb file. For that, go to browser and type Chrome download in Ubuntu for Ubuntu. Click on how to install Google Chrome web browser. Here you can see the deb file code. You can copy the code by the directly here and paste it on terminal. Another is you can go directly into the Chrome site and you can directly download the deb file. Here you can copy the code, after that paste it on terminal, enter. Here it is downloading the deb file. Okay, that deb file is downloaded. After that you have to install that deb file. Okay, for that sudo apt install dot slash deb file name. Okay, enter. It will ask you yes, enter. Here the Google Chrome is installing. Okay, the Chrome is installed. Let's check. Go to menu. Here the icon, click on it. There you go. The Google Chrome is finally installed and it is working properly. Next, for the particular software upgrade, you can use this command sudo apt get install hyphen hyphen only hyphen upgrade software name. I am upgrading this Firefox software. Enter. This is the process of upgrading particular software. Okay, next let's install the Sublime Text. It is a notepad tool for the programming languages. It is best useful tool for the programming languages. Here these are the step by step process of installation course. If you think this is the very difficult to install, then go to the Ubuntu Software Center. Let's search for the Sublime Text. Yeah, here Ubuntu Software Center is available. Sublime Text, install it. Here the software is installed. Let's launch. Here the Sublime Text interface. This is best for C and Java and Python, etc., HTML, all other programming languages, it is the best tool for the is the best tool as a typewriter. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.